Truly surprising, from an old iron hook, but when it passed through the hands of this craftsman, it transformed into a magical weapon. First, the iron hook is heated, then it is flattened through forging. The craftsman cuts off the rounded end, then continues to forge it into a piece of steel. Next, he cuts the steel sheet along the pre-marked lines, but without causing it to break. Then, the process of heating and shaping continues, expanding the distance between the 3 steel bars, thus forming the 3 prongs at the end of the steel sheet. Subsequently, he continues to hammer and adjust, repeating this process several times until the shape of the weapon starts to emerge. A layer of paint is sprayed onto the surface, then the paper template is removed, leaving a trident symbol imprinted on the steel sheet. Next, the craftsman uses a cutting machine to follow the paint lines, gradually removing the excess iron. The following step is the grinding process. A grinding stone is used to flatten the surface of the trident, continuing to grind until he feels satisfied. Lastly, he uses a marker to re-outline the details of the trident and continues the refinements. After the diligent efforts, this craftsman has created a truly beautiful trident. What do you think of this magnificent weapon? Please leave your comments below. If there were a rating scale from 1 to 10, how many points would you give him?